Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A27 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. Alright, so let's begin with opening the settings. And here we need to scroll and find the apps. Let's tap. Then choose three dots icon in the right upper corner and go to Special Access. Now we need to localize this option, Install Unknown Apps. And here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And of course we can change it. So for example, let's pretend I'd like to download the app from a specific website and I will use Chrome to do it. So all I need to do in my case is to find Chrome and simply tap on the switcher right here. And from now on, the Chrome is allowed to install some content, but be aware because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions just by tapping on the switcher here or simply tap on Deny All to turn off all of them. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.